We're gonna cook today the tripe, which is the stomach lining of the lamb, and we already cut this into small pieces, and it has been already cleaned in the chlorine water, so it looks very white. Now we will boil this in a pressure cooker to remove some of the impurities from this. While this is boiling, what you can do is you can peel off the garlic and ginger, and also keep some of the masalas ready, like cardamom, ilachi, and cardamom powder, and the meat masala. Now as this is boiling, we will remove this whole water from there, and which will remove this white impurities on the top of it. So now after washing this again, we are adding the water till the tripe gets covered with the water, and then add the mix of a ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. And then also add the masalas which we kept earlier, like 1 cardamom, and also add those masalas. It has also the meat and the fennel powder. And after doing that, we just need to heat it a bit. We'll put the lid and we'll make it like 5 to 6 whistles. While we are waiting for the whistles for the tripe, you can put the half kg of curd in another vessel and put it on a low flame. And you can also add one of the egg also, because it helps to prevent the curdling of the curd, but it's your choice. Keep it rotating with a slow flame so it doesn't curdle. And add the ilachi and green cardamom also to the curd, and the quantity depends on how much curd you have. And keep it rotating only in one direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now after 6 or 5 whistles, we got it out, and this is what was in the pressure cooker. Now we also have curd which is now boiling with the masalas. Now we will put all of this into the... Okay, let it sink in. We'll put some salt also in it. Now we're having earlier the tripe and the water in the pressure cooker. This is the leftover water in that. Now we're gonna put this back into this one. But remove all the masalas from that. Just put water in this. Now fry some onions as well, and fry them strong, and then put them inside this. And this will add to the flavor. And this is all cooked and ready now, so enjoy the meals.